To begin, you will need to remove the two side trim cover pieces, red and blue arrows, on both sides. Use your trim removal tool and gently pry out the trim piece from the center console. It is held in place by a series of retainers and clips, red arrows. With the clips separated, slide the piece back towards the rear of the car and out. The forward piece on both sides is held in place by a single T25 torque screw indicated by the red arrow. Remove the screw and slide the piece towards the front of the vehicle and down. The piece on the passenger side has a power port, red arrow. Separate the electrical connection for the power port. The center trim surround can be replaced without removing the side piece and is a common upgrade. Use a trim removal tool and start by lifting up at the rear and gently unclipping it from the console. The piece is held in place by a series of retainers, red arrow, and clips into the console, blue arrow. There's also a gasket that goes between the surround and the console, green arrow. Our vehicle has a manual transmission. To remove the shift knob, grasp the lower collar and turn it 90 degrees and lift the knob up and off. Use a trim removal tool and gently pry up at the front of the boot and release the clips from the mount, blue arrows. Tilt the cover back and lift it off from the hinge mounts, red arrows. Use your hands and pull the hazards unit straight up and out from its mounting clips, red arrows. Turn the unit over and separate the wiring connection by squeezing in the clip and separating them. Pull the sunroof control and main switch unit straight up and out from its retaining clips. Turn it over and separate the electrical connection, blue arrow. The red arrow indicates the retaining clips on each side of the unit. Use a T25 torque and remove the 4 screws holding in the PCM unit, red arrows. Place a towel down to protect the climate control unit and slide the entertainment unit forward. Turn the unit sideways and disconnect the wiring connections. All of the single wire connections are press and pull type fasteners. They are also color coded, so it's really hard to mess them up when reinstalling. For the main harness, press down on the clip, red arrow, and swing the lever down, green arrow. This will separate the main wiring connection. With the entertainment unit removed, pull up on the climate control unit, releasing it from its retaining clips, red arrow. There are 2 plugs. One is a press and pull and the other release the clip, red arrow, and slide the gray handle down to separate the wiring connection. Remove the surround support by removing the 3 T25 torque screws on each side. There should be a retaining mount on the front that helps support the piece. The ones on our project car was destroyed, red arrow. Pivot the piece up from the rear and out. Pass the hazards wiring through the opening in the piece, red arrow. You now have access to all of the components and the shifter. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.